Hurricane Ian, we know, is an ice storm, and when it gets to September, we do see some ice storms, but is this anything that we have to keep in mind, Imelda?
Yeah, I've heard people say the dreaded ice storm, but just because it is the 9th storm of the season doesn't mean it has to be super impactful. Of course, every tropical system has its impacts, and since this one that we are tracking is set to become Imelda as we move through the next few days, it's certainly one to focus on, but I have some updates. So the hurricane hunters, they've been flying through potential tropical cyclone number 9 all morning, and they are getting some data that is showing signs of organization, so that's something to pay attention to, especially when you get that 11 o'clock update, but I really don't think it'll have too much to change the forecast. We are still set to see Imelda as we move into Sunday, at least they have it early Sunday morning for us to see that tropical storm status. Now, if that data that the hurricane hunters are gathering currently show that it's intensified even more than expected, then maybe we could get Imelda a little bit earlier, but still be the 9th storm of the season. Don't fear the ice storm. Last year, Isaac stayed out over open waters. Of course, there have been some impactful ones, but nothing to worry about yet, just something to focus on when it comes to the forecast of this potential tropical cyclone or future Imelda, however you want to phrase it. The track, it goes east of Florida. That's good news for us here. We actually get to trend a little bit drier as we move into the start of next week because of the influence of this storm. Now, we still could see some coastal impacts on the other side of Florida's coast, and we could see bigger impacts as you head towards parts of coastal Georgia, South Carolina, even parts of coastal North Carolina as well. But you see this little ball at the end of the forecast cone? It really does look like an ice cream cone in this instance. That's because things are looking like this storm could stall out off the coast of the United States, and that's actually a good thing. We could avoid a direct landfall here in the United States. That could lessen some of the rainfall totals that models were showing yesterday, that some had crazy high totals for a place that saw flooding even just a year ago with Helene. And so it's good to see things kind of back off with that stalling. And then since it stalls, it actually would slow down a little bit, and Hurricane Humberto, which is a Category 4, set to become a Category 5 storm tomorrow, could help take this right back out to sea. And let me show you these forecast models. It does a good job kind of explaining how that looks. So watch, they are in good consensus that it tracks right through the Bahamas. Of course, they are set to see tropical storm conditions within the next 36 hours from what will be Imelda. But then that curve out to sea, that's what we like. It's like a force field on the United States, just kind of banking it away from us. And so that would lessen impacts if it were to follow this trend. Not the best consensus overall, but there is still some decent agreement when it comes to these models, and that's a good thing. Watch this as we continue to cycle through a tropics futurecast. This is Humberto. Looks very menacing, and that's because it is. It's a major hurricane. This is what's set to be Imelda by Monday morning. Look at the wind streams. That brings some gustier conditions to us here in Southwest Florida. Not the craziest winds. It might just be noticeably breezier outside as we move to tomorrow and to start next week. But overall, if we keep the worst of the winds off the coast of the United States, we avoid the worst of the impact from this tropical system overall.